What's going on, family? Black people checking in. I wanted to say something to you, man. You know, I was thinking about the way they've been doing this education and how people sign up for debt, and most people be in debt all their life to go get a job that you get laid off from, or that you're still working for somebody. And it's crazy. You'll spend $100,000 going in debt to work for somebody else versus you spending not nearly that amount to work for yourself. You know what I mean? Me personally, I don't get it. It's like a no-brainer, but they have brain fucked the shit out of America. And the same people who has been deceived is now the ones looking for handouts. Somebody help me. I've been living above my means since all this time. I've been living off credit. Now my credit fucked up. They done took my balance. I can't use credit. That's credit card companies going out. Or they losing money. So they got to cut limits. Now is the time to start your business. Now is the time to be independent. HogOn.